We here at First Global, we are here sorting out some items just to carry to the western part of Jamaica. We know how much Melissa has done to Jamaica, and it is very imperative right now just to give back.
It's been a long day, and we're going to keep going because it's all about heart. It's all about one love, one Jamaica, we say, one First Global Bank. Unity is love, and this is what we're about, and we're not going to stop. This is just the beginning. As you can see, there's a lot of damage around us. There are persons who have lost everything, lost their homes, their roofs. So it was important for FGB, being the community citizens that we are, to actually reach out to these communities, these deserving communities, and to assist them, especially in their time of need.
Giving a big thanks to First Global. You know, they came through. Everyone is really grateful for what they're doing.
The community, along with the police officers, are definitely grateful. What you guys have done today is an amazing thing, and big up to First Global Bank.